Alrighty, guys, here it is. It's back, guys. This is the PT Cruiser. Y'all remember the white one I checked out last week? Had the what was it, 1604? It was a computer-related code, guys. Now, remember what I told y'all. Don't just run to gun and replace computers, because you see, I think the file code said PCM internal or something like that. So everybody will automatically assume, yeah, it must be a PCM. Okay, including me, only after I check a few things. All right, I'm gonna go over a couple of things you need to check before you just jump on the bandwagon. Now, here's the deal. This is a 05 model, which makes this the Generation 1 PT Cruiser. Guys, the dealerships don't sell PCMs for 05 models anymore. All right, in other words, there's no Mopar PCM they can get. And that might be a blessing in disguise, because I think the last time I priced one out, it was like $1,200. Guys, this is a PT Cruiser. Not that I'm belittling the PT Cruiser, but $1,000 computer. Okay, y'all see where I'm going with this. Well, anyway, ta-da! Y'all see what I got? Just came in the mail, UPS. All right, now, supposedly, there's a company on the internet that you can order your controllers off of. Aries. Anybody heard of them? Is this a good company, a reputable company? Supposedly, these are plug and play. Now, based on the key, with the key being silver, okay, this car is equipped with a factory security alarm system, meaning it was put on at birth. Okay, so hopefully those guys, we got to give them the VIN. They'll take the VIN and program everything. And so, which supposedly make this a plug and play, meaning I just plug it up and play. Plug it up and go. I don't have to do nothing. Well, we're about to freaking find out, because I'm about to put it in. Damn, I wish I knew the exact. I knew it was something related to. I'm gonna put it in the description just in case, I don't get back to that topic. But for now, let's get into the shop and put a PCM on. It's fairly easy to replace a PCM. PCM stands for Powertrain Control Module, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. This customer loved her car. I don't blame her. I love these PT Cruisers. They showed up on the scene back in 01. Oh my goodness, we in year 2025. I suppose these are considered classics at this point. Yeah, that right there, that ain't no classic. This, ladies and gentlemen, is considered a freaking classic. All right, I'm talking too much. Let me get in the shop and get this damn computer put on here. And we're going to find out together if it's plug and play. How's that? All right, let's get it, man. And voila. Here we go. There's a computer right there. So 10 millimeter here, 10 here, and 10 here. And this whole bracket will come off. And then you should be able to disconnect. Be careful with these little safety tabs. Make sure you pull these back like such. Then simply push down on this to remove like such. All right, green represents this is an automatic transmission. All right, if there was no connector in that like that, I've seen them like that, that simply means there was no need for this one, because this one designated for transmission. Let's say if this was a manual transmission, a stick, your PCM would look like this. You would still have that connector there, but it won't be no pins in there because it's not needed. All right, yeah, this one represents, I had to learn that by heart, guys, over the years. All right, let me get this PCM off and get this PCM replaced. And there you have it, guys. All right, so now just transfer this bracket over to the new PCM, and we almost good to go. Let's get it. All right, guys, a little warning out there, okay? When you put this on, try not to use the impact, guys. You don't want to be hammering on this new PCM. It's not new, but you don't want to be hammering. This is very sensitive, okay? Keep impacts away from freaking computers, all right? So I ended up putting it on with it was a little harder, but yeah, I don't want to be hammering on the new PCM that I'm about to install. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. Let's get this damn thing on. And what we want to know is it in fact plug and play? Well, I don't have to do nothing. Will the key just start up? Damn it, we about to find out. Alrighty, guys. Let's hook this last one up. All right, push my safety pins all in. Now, What I was saying about before you just jump and replace the PCM, make sure the battery connections are on point. Let's go see if this is really plug and play. I haven't done nothing but installed it. Ladies and gentlemen, will it fire right up? I haven't programmed no key, nothing. Here we go. It's running. Past the 3 seconds. Put my check engine light on. Oh, I got the what? Oh, my oil light on. I got the damn I got the air intake sensor off, guys. That's why the check engine light on. So you can buy a PCM that's essentially plug and freaking play. All right, that's really mainly what I want to know. Everything else is cosmetic. I know what I got to do for all of that. They bought an oil sending unit. I showed y'all in this video right here. If your oil light come on, what to do. Watch this video right here. I talk about what exactly to do. That's what I'm going to do to this car. All right, and I'm going to plug in my sensor and turn this light out. Guys, I'm done. Plug and play PCM. Aris, let me go talk to Aris. All right, Aris, you got one time to fail me and make me look bad. If you do, your days are numbered. All right, guys, they want this old one back. I got to go. Thanks for watching.